Hi, superstars. We're on lesson 3-4. Read, make, and write 8 and 9. Let's look at this picture. Jackson sees some turtle eggs. So we are going to use the numbers 8 and 9 to show turtle eggs. And we're going to draw two ways on the turtle shells to show that number. So first, what we'll do is we'll use some counters. So let's do the number 8. And let's say that there are 8 turtle eggs that Jackson had seen. So using counters, I'm going to draw 8 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's one way that I'm showing 8. Another way that I can show 8 is to draw 8 eggs on the back of one of the turtles. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's one way to show 8. My counters are another way. And I can also draw 8 in a different way on this other tortoise shell. So I'm going to draw 8 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So as you see, there are 8 eggs here, and there are 8 eggs here. I've drawn them differently. I've drawn 3 here and 5 there. On this other turtle, I drew 4 eggs here and 4 eggs there. It is the same number. So it doesn't matter how I draw the eggs as long as there are 8 in total. I can draw them all over the shell. I can draw them in order. I can draw them in a straight line like I did my counters. So there are different ways to draw it, but it still remains the same number. Now I can do the same thing for 9. So let's clear that. And we are going to use 9 and see 9 eggs. So what I would do is I would use 9 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now I'm going to draw the eggs on the back of these sea turtles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I drew 9 eggs here. Another way I can do 9 eggs would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is a different way to draw them. 2 rows, 1 row of 4 here, and 1 row of 5. And over here I did 3 rows, 2, 4, and 3. They still are 9 eggs on each turtle. And I drew my counters in one long line. That's only one way to draw counters. You could do it in any different way. So that's how we made 8 and 9 in different ways. Let's turn to the next page. All right, let's look at this first box here. So what do you see in this picture? It looks like turtles. How can you tell how many turtles you see? We can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many are there? 8. Let's look at our next box here. How many counters are there? There are 8. So how do the counters represent the turtles in the first box? There is one counter for every turtle. How can you prove that there are the same number of turtles and counters? We can touch and count each one. Let's look at our third box right here. What number is Jackson writing? The number 8. So where do you start to write this number? We start at the dot. So we start, we go around, and then we come back up. What number do you see here? 8. Why do you think the number 8 is in this box? To show how many turtles there are. So let's write the number 8. Start at the black dot and follow the lines. Let's go down here to our guided practice. You're going to count the turtles, and then you're going to practice writing the number that tells how many. Let's count the turtles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're going to practice writing the number 8. Always start where that black dot is. All right, number 2. Let's count the turtles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's practice writing 9. We start at the black dot. We go up and then down. Follow that arrow. All right, number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember to start at the black dot, go around and come back up. It's like you're making the letter S. Good job. All right, let's go to the next page. All right, we're at number 4. Right here. Count the animals and then practice writing the number that tells how many. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write the number 8 right here. Start at that black dot. All right, let's do number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's practice writing 9, starting at that black dot. All right, number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's no black dot, but you should know where to start. You start on the right side, make your S, and then go back up. Okay, let's go to number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we practice writing the number 9. All right, let's go to the next page. Okay, so this is independent practice. You're going to do 8, 9 over here on 10. On 8 and 9. What you're going to do is you are going to use counters to make the number 8 and to make the number 9. So you're going to draw counters to show that number. On number 10, you are going to count each of these animals. You're going to put a line through them as you count them so that you know which ones you've counted. And then you're going to write the numbers next to each animal. All right, superstars, good job. You're doing great. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.